Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to see story replies history on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Sometimes you want to review someone else's responses to your story and you want to discover a means to do so. You are thankfully given access to your Instagram story replies history by the Instagram app. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Your Activity. On Your Activity page, tap on Interactions. Now select Story Replies. Now you will see all the story replies here. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to see story replies history on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.